So hello and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to Dencho's Ashana Grand, and it's gonna be a really fun time because it's gonna be artists under Denison Music and Events. Our band leader isn't only a sound tech and a musician, he also owns his own company and he books premium artists to good places as well.
Ano masasabi mo? Ayos, tsaka yes.
So medyo maaga ako dumating kasi I wanted to capture as much as I can since this is the first time this is going to be happening, and having all these bands together in one place, it's gonna be magical. So as you can see, marami pang dumarating. Yan ang mga ladies natin. And of course, before anything else, all glory and honor to God, and thanks to God, of course, for everything that He has done for us. We started off with prayer, of course.
Eventually, ginagawa mo.
Let's go through. Come in, and I'm gonna make it brief but concise. I have big trust in your talent, your skills. Let's keep it up, and we are for a fruitful 2025 to you. Thank you so much.
Our gold? Yes! Oh yes, and of course, we have all of our gold and cash as well, guys. Hi Mom! What's your name? Gigi! What? What's your name?
Hi guys, my name is Kathy. My name is Chai. My name is... I'm JB.
What's your name?
Joy.
Eventually,
Okay, and of course, ladies, are you ready to receive? No, so much. So much. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Goodbye! And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our winner. Walang pakalungan natin, guys. And of course,
Wala, Chay, wala, Chay.
please.
Sana all.
Yes, smile please. 2, 1. Go. 1. Go. 3, 2, go.
So at this point in time, kainan na. Ito yung favorite part natin lahat. Ang sarap ng mga food. Denchos pa naman.
Una talaga sin tayo. Mga gutom.
Super nasa starstruck ako sa mga to kasi mga magagaling na banda rin sila na sa Facebook ko lang sila nakikita.
Huwag ka na mag-video, papayat ka bakla. Yun, kaya para mas maraming lalaki ba?
Ito naman si Kuya Jesse, long time friend ko. J-Pax, dati kong kabanda. Sina Aldrin. Kuya Gilbert, one of the guitarists that advised me a lot when I was new here in UAE. Sobrang dami namin pero wala pa yung mga ibang artist ni Kuya. Lalo na yung mga ibang lahi na artist niya. Sayang, crush ko pa naman yung mga DJ na ibang lahi.
Dave, natalo ka, Jay. Nakakahiya ka. Unang natanggal ikaw. Ikaw pa naman pinag-ano namin. Yun, oh.
Ganito pag kumain ha, wala mo ng kanin. Lugi kayo mapupuno. Mamaya na yung kanin.
Mamaya yung kanin, tikim muna lahat. Ayun, yun yung strategy.
Super idol ko to si Shane, life of the party. May pa-strategy pa siya sa pagkain, ha?
Pero natalo ka, JB. Salamat guys, dahil sa inyo, nauna ako nakakain. Ang lakas ng boses nyo. Say hi! Ba't kanina kami pinapasigaw mo, tapos ngayon hindi ka sumisigaw? Joke lang, joke lang. So guys, kain, enjoy, Merry Christmas! Sisi! Kain na! Kain na ako! Solid guys ang po dito sa Dentios mismo.
A few moments later.
Wala kang ang load. Huwag kang shooting.
Ano ba yan?
Sino ang magaling sa kamayan? What? Wait a minute po, wait a minute. When the music starts.
A few moments later.
Bakit ang galing ng kamay mo?
3 times a day.
Ay! Ikaw sa anong sikreto mo? Bakit ang galing? Ay, dapat doon pala ako magtatanong.
Inosente.
Inosente daw siya, guys. Ang galing mo.
Hinubog ng panahon.
Pinubog ng panahon? Okay. And of course, ikaw, anong sikreto mo? Ano ang sikreto mo, sir? Bakit ang galing-galing mo?
5 lalaki sinasasal ko araw-araw.
Sana all.
Yes, okay. Contestant number 2! Contestant number 3! Oh yeah! Have the winner. Kasi guys, nakita ko talaga siya ang galing-galing niyang manusok. Charot. Okay.
So, hindi pa natapos ang mga games dyan at nagkaroon kami ng Bring Me. So, almost everybody actually won. Grabe ang game. Fun and surprises and prizes.
Meanwhile.
At syempre, hindi ako nagpahuli, no? Nanalo din ako. Meron pang nagbuwis buhay pa. Ang Miss Pure Energy, si Josel.
See that I was blind to let you go. Boses niya guys, no?
I'll see you again next year.
Ay, wala ba kayong ano guys? Wala ba kayong message for Sir Richard? I'm gonna go randomly na lang guys.
Sir, salamat po. Merry Christmas. Maraming salamat. Thanks support. Thank you po. More power.
Gracias, Kuya.
Ilan po si Shidaki? Okay, guys, kanina.
Thank you so much, Kuya, for everything sa Low Life and Low Life sa family niyo po. And sana naman po may pagbunas. Salamat, Kuya. Salamat po.
Bigay! Ano ba yung
Maraming salamat kay Kuya Richard and sa company niya. Of course, maraming salamat rin sa mga ibang artist na pumunta. Ang saya naman makita at makilala sila. It was such a fun time. Sobrang nakaka-proud na mabilang sa inyo under Denison Events and Music Company, of course. Yun, Merry Christmas everyone. God bless.
Yay! Of course, thank you so much, everyone! Alam mo ba sa cellphone?
Kainan na!
Nag-sponsor ng cellphone? Yung nag-split ba? Okay, tagay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for coming, guys, and have a good day!
So once again, that's it for today's vlog. Keep safe everyone. God bless. See you on the next vlog.